Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the My Vodafone app or preparing to call customer service. This is faster than guessing codes. Once done, sign in with your Vodafone account or have your mobile number and PIN ready so you can confirm identity. Make sure you have mobile signal or Wi-Fi. Without connectivity, you can't reach account settings. Now, navigate to Account or Settings in the app, because that's where voicemail controls live and where you'll perform the first disabling action. You can disable voicemail directly. In the app, go Account, then Voicemail, and toggle off the service. Press Save and note the confirmation message. If you prefer a call, dial your local Vodafone support number, for many regions 191 or the regional support line, and clearly request voicemail deactivation. Provide your number and PIN to verify identity. Ask the agent how long the change takes and whether any network voicemail forwarding will be removed, so you understand what to expect. Once the operator or app confirms deactivation, verify it by calling your number from another phone. You should not reach a voicemail greeting. If voicemail still triggers, ask support to remove any conditional call forwarding *67 style or to clear network voicemail routing. Make sure to reboot your phone and recheck the app toggle. Sometimes device caches the old state. If problems persist, call back immediately and reference the previous ticket or confirmation, so they apply the fixes without repeating checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.